show these fucking homies what you got, man. Show them the big cojones.
Wait for a bit.
Wait for a bit. What the? Oh man, everybody's just like furries.
What the?
Everybody's just like furries.
Bruh.
A week after the Miata battle from the last episode, one of our faster drivers, at the time he had an A86. This night he decided to take a normie casual Accord. I don't know what year it is, I think early 2000s Honda Accord. And well, embarrassed us to say the least. This is him at 75%, 80%. So when you hear the Honda S2000 behind him hitting VTEC, trying to keep up, mind you, this guy's not even at his full potential. His music choice, some drum and bass tribal stuff, but he was in a trance, it was gone. I believe we're coming up to the gate turn here. Yeah, we're up gate turn, Honda S2000 in pursuit. Then, well, basically the Accord has to keep nothing but straight momentum. I think you can even hear the VTEC in the background. Coming up, this is swing turn. A lot of rear-wheel drive cars slide out right here. It didn't seem the Accord to have too much problem. Probably didn't have enough power to actually, you know.
I felt a bunch of understeers there.
But coming up here, this bump right here, you'll send you off. Accord didn't really give a shit. I don't know if it was the 4-cylinder or V6 Accord. I honestly don't remember. I think it was the 4-cylinder. Random traffic, you know. I think it was a minivan.
Alright.
So mind you, this is S2000 that's somewhat stock in power, but it has tire, it has an intake. It's maybe 30 horsepower above standard, so keep that in mind. Coming up here past Treehouse, this right-hander, forget the name. But this is one of the high-speed sections beginning. Yeah, he was hauling. This wasn't, it was still summer, but all the leaves, that's just common in Prerun. It's just hell of leaves, always wet, it's never 100% dry. But surprise, I'm in the back of this somewhere, and I was just amazed, like, how the hell. Still light checking.
I think he's saving brakes for dark side.
Oh yeah, when you mentioned saving brakes for dark side, I've actually roasted the brakes on that. It'll roast brakes if you're not conservative. Come up here, one really sharp hairpin. He's just in his own little. He's like, just no problem, just go. And what I want to note is that the speeds that, you have the blinker, the speeds that we're holding through this in real life is like 60, 70 basically through a one-lane area right here. This whole section, there's nowhere, if you see a car coming, that's your ass. There's no stopping at this point, so you have to fully commit to this area. I've seen people hit 85 through here. This is the worst section of the course, in my opinion, in terms of bumps.
Yeah, that's why.
As you can probably see and hear. Okay, coming up the lighthouse. This is lighthouse. For the blinding ass light right there that you can't see if there's any oncoming. More bumps. The Accord just holding major, not even touching the brakes. Like what is this? Like he touches a little bit, but don't, like you can hear the Honda is like, this 2000 is having to hold back a little bit, but still push. Okay, no brakes, no brakes. Yeah, just no brakes. And I think that's just a dead-ass standard Honda Accord.
Let's go to Walmart after this, and then get you some windshield wipers.
Yeah, I want windshield wipers.
Yeah.
Maybe I should get the spoon ones, bro. Like fucking Christian.
Just for the flex, yo.
Oh, I hate that line.
I have lost sight of the WS6.
Oh, 24. I thought they started to kick out there.
Huh?
Watch
Yeah, yeah. It's just the Accord and the S2000 just fucked right off, and we're all in the back. I think I have some footage of it. Maybe
Wait, why was
we're
it so
way back
smooth?
there.
Did I take that line off?
Oh, speaking of which, RX-8 here. This driver, brand new driver, sent it a little bit too hard here. The driver's 17 at the time. Understeer's right here, and well, you shall see. It was basically driver inexperience. I think at that time he'd been driving less than a year in general, so he didn't really know how to handle oversteer, understeer, and all that. Plus, new to the platform as well. But it's also a testament, even though this is like 2:30 in the morning, you know, all of us there making sure at least get new tire on, at least, you know, making sure he can get his ass home. You know, we don't try to leave anyone abandoned on mountain if we can help it.
Boy, get some fitment now, boy.
Oh yeah, so I had the privilege of interviewing basically one of the OGs of the Touge scene out there on the islands. Front wheel drive drifts. Basically, like, if you say his name in the Touge community today, everyone knows exactly what you're talking about. He's basically a legend on the island within the community.